Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Arturia Analog Lab V. You will get the zip file. The first thing you have to do is unzip the file. Okay, so once the unzip is done, go to the folder install setup. Make sure you have select all of this one. Okay, so once installation is done, hit finish. Now close everything, open your dock. I'm using Ableton. Okay. There you go. Here you will see all the presets and factory. Enjoy your plugin and thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Have a nice day. Peace.